Hello, and welcome back to SQL Made Simple. Today, we are going to explore the ALL operator in subqueries. If you want to make comparisons against every value in a set, ALL is your tool. By the end of this video, you'll know how to filter data using ALL and understand why it's so powerful. I wanted you to think of it like saying, I want something greater than all of these values. Every single value in the subquery result must satisfy the condition. Even if one value fails, the row is not selected. Compare this to any, which we will cover next. Any only needs one value to satisfy the condition. So we're not going to waste so much time with this. We'll head over to our Express server and use our SQL subquery DB for this particular practice. So it has customers, orders, products, employees, and employee order tables. So make sure you have this database ready so you can practice along with me. Okay, and this is our task for today, and this is going to help us understand how to use the all operator. So we are looking for orders greater than all UK orders. So if it's about orders, then obviously we're looking at the orders table. Then we are also looking at customers who place the orders. So let's quickly take a look at our tables. So let's start off from, let's say, customers. Okay, then select star from orders. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so we want orders greater than all the UK orders. Okay, so we have one, two, three, which is customer ID number three, customer ID number four, and customer ID number eight. And if you look at our orders table, number three, four is 75, 120. Number eight is 90. So we only want to see the orders coming from customers whose values are greater than the orders of those who are in the UK. So what comes to mind here is for us to do a join of these tables so that we can use that as a subquery within our where clause. So that's the plan here. Okay. So let's do in a join. Okay. Joining our orders and customers table, and we're going to use this in our subquery. Okay. So we're going to select. I want the order amount because that is what we would need. And this is coming from the orders table. Okay, as O, then we're going to join. So join, we are joining the customers because there is this common field, primary and foreign key customer ID. So we're going to join the customers as C on O dot. So from the orders, we have customer ID should be equal to, from the customers table, C dot customer ID, where our country coming from our customers table, which is dot C dot country being equal to the UK. Okay, so at least this should give us our answer. So what do we have here? So 75, 120, 90, and what? 60. So 75 is 3, 120 is 4, and where's our 60? 60. I don't see 60 here. Okay, let's look at our UK. So UK, we have 3, 4, and 8. So 3, 4, 75, 120, and 8. It should be 90. Okay. Then we also have another 60. Where is the 60 coming from? I need to find out. Good. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, yeah, so there's another one. 60, which is pending. Okay, so that's about it. And we'll use this, okay? So we've joined our table and let's see how we're going to use that in our subquery. So we're looking for the orders greater than all UK orders. So we're going to select from our orders table, okay? And what are we selecting? We are selecting the order ID, customer ID, then order amount from our orders table. Now let's do our where clause. So where our order amount is greater than all, so we just bring this is greater than all the UK orders. So you see the beauty of this. We join a C on that where this is done. Okay, close it. That's it. So that's going to end our argument. So SQL is simple and easy to follow. Okay, so let me execute. Now, what do we have here? So we have customer 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay, and these orders are greater than 75, 120, 90, and 60. So that's the use of the all. So our subquery returns all orders amount for UK customers, and the outer query, which we have done, select orders greater than every single one of those amounts. So notice how all ensures the conditions compare against every value. So now it's your turn. Try finding customers whose total order amount are greater than all customers in Canada. So I only need to change this, Canada. So you pause the video and do it. So if you're looking at Canada, I only need to change this to Canada. I'll hit it. Boom. What do I have? So with the Canada amount, you have 250 and 300. And if you check the order amount, all that we see here are less. So 250, 300. That's why we're getting nothing. Okay? Well done. Well done, well done, well done. And I'll need you to keep practicing, and you're only going to get better by practicing. So, what's our key takeaway? All is used when you want to make a comparison against every value in a set. If if any value violates the condition, the row will not be selected. Use all when you need absolute comparisons in filtering data. And that's about it. So that's it for today. Next, we will explore any in subqueries, which is perfect when you only need conditions to match at least one value. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of the next lesson. Lessons.